Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the GOT npm package, which is a modern high customizable HTTP request library for the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, go with the number of downloads. So you can see the number of downloads are pretty much so too much, right? Weekly downloads. So we should use this library, and what's important with this library, let's take a look of that one. So here you can see that there is a comparison between the got node fetch, ky, axis and the super agent, and here you can see that most of the ticks are coming from this, and the issue and the build size is like dependents included last commit, so the package is almost compatible and it is still maintainable. So you can use that one because there's a lots of features over there. Okay, so the first point is that it's like the Axios or the fetch, but with more power, better defaults and amazing extensibility. Okay, another thing that you can see that the in short got is equal to the Axios fetch plus extra powers for the Node.js. So it has too much, like the number of downloads are there, compatibility is there, maintainability is also there. Okay, so the promise async await clean syntax. Okay, retry mechanism, timeout control, streaming support, great for the files and the large data set, hook system, customized request globally, logging and the auth, built-in HTTP2 support, better performance, smaller and the modern compared to the Axios, request depreciated for the node fetch, automatic decompression, great error handling with structured error objects, extensible. You can build wrappers for the API easily, right? So let's take a look. First of all, we have to install this npm install goat. Okay, so install this package. It's very quite simple and easy. There's a code for get, and just copy and use this one over here. Okay, post. If I go with node testing.js, here you can see that the data is there, right? Nothing too much, is simple lines of code. Just call the api and you want the .json response, it will give you the JSON one. Okay, let's take a look of the another one. This is our post api. So JSON data you have to pass and log that data. Okay, if you want to pass the headers, you can do like this: headers object, user agent authorization, like this. Okay, if you want to go with the retry, so here we have the timeout and the retry also. Okay, so this is how you can use this npm package. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.